Primary aim of my dissertation, Reasonable Agonism, is to construct a conception of reasonableness that responds to criticisms arising from agonistic theories of democracy. Reasonableness refers to the capacity of citizens of pluralistic societies to cooperate politically despite significant conflicts resulting from differences in religious belief, identity, or class, for example. According to prominent accounts of this concept, such as those of the political theorists Jürgen Habermas and John Rawls, reasonable citizens should seek consensus on a conception of justice which would enable them to regulate their conflicts and disagreements. According to agonistic theories of democracy, such as those of Chantal Mouffe and Jacques Rancière, this conception of reasonableness and the consensus orientation it requires is incompatible with the antagonistic nature of politics, or the persistence of deep disagreements among members of pluralistic societies. These theorists argue further that such a consensus could only be illusory since it depends upon the inhibition of such fundamental disagreements. By incorporating the insights of these theorists without abandoning the commitment to reasonableness, an agonistic conception of reasonableness is better suited to the conditions of pluralism characteristic of contemporary liberal democracies. By allowing for greater disagreement over matters of justice, this conception of reasonableness thus encourages greater participation in questions of justice. Moreover, an agonistic conception of reasonableness requires political institutions that foster disagreement. By thus institutionalizing dissent, this view can promote legitimate political institutions insofar as citizens can more easily identify with or find their voices welcome in such institutions.